Hello. In this video, we will demonstrate how to resize images in Photoshop Creative Cloud. We already have Photoshop open, so let's open an image. Got an image right here in mind. Images often need to be resized from their original state for the purposes of email, website placement, Instagram, or whatever need you have. Find out the specific pixel dimensions that you need before beginning this process. Once you know where you're trying to go with an image, we're going to go to Image, Image Size, and then it brings up this window which tells us how big our image is. If yours doesn't show pixels here, you can go to this little arrow and set it to pixels, and then you'll be able to make the alterations in the kind of measurement that you're looking at. So I'm going to change this image to use in my Flickr page or my Flickr site. I don't want to post a full resolution image because then somebody could download that image and print it in all its full glory, and I'd be out any money that might be made selling this picture. So I'm going to change the image size, the largest dimension, to 950 pixels. Now this image is landscape or horizontal, so I'm going to change the width of this picture, this image, to 950 pixels. And you'll see right here that it's going to show us the new size of the picture compared to the previous size. So now we're at 1.94 megabytes as opposed to 45 megabytes, which is a substantial reduction in the size of the image. That image size is also reflected down here in the bottom left corner, and well, it will show it when I hit OK. Right now it's showing it at full resolution. Here you see the word resolution here, and it says 300. Because we're only changing pixel dimension, the resolution doesn't have to be altered. The number of pixels is the number of pixels regardless what the resolution is set to. So we don't have to alter that at all. So I'm going to hit OK. And gosh, it looks like a thumbnail now, but in actual fact, that's something that Photoshop does where it just shows it in proportion to what it was before. If I hit Command 0 on the Macintosh, it goes back to full size. It's showing it to you full size, but it's still, as you can see, we go image, image size. It still is in fact 1.94 megabytes at 950 by 713 pixels. So the image is now where we want it to be, and I do not want to overwrite my original. So what I'm going to do is save as, and I'm going to name it West Las Vegas Flickr. So I know that this image has been sized for Flickr, at least in my naming convention. I'm going to leave it as a JPEG for this demonstration. There'll be another demonstration where we'll go over image types. Then I'm going to hit save. I'm going ahead to keep this at large file quality 12. I want high quality in my JPEG. So I'm going to hit OK. And there it is. Done.